Good boy. Please. Find someone to help me.
Hey! Let go of my shorts right now, you crazy little puppy. Ah. Go home, little dog. I don't have time to play with you today. Hey! Stop pulling on my pants. I am trying to deliver these heavy boxes. I have to get back to work now, so please stop following me.
Hey, Mia, look at that cute little puppy running right toward us. Take it easy, little puppy. What is it that you want from us?
Did it bite you, Mia? Is everything all right over there?
It keeps waiting for us, Dad. We really need to follow it. Dad, I don't think this puppy is lost. I think it needs our help.
Yes, it is definitely making sure we are still behind it. Let's keep up.
Easy, little dog. I cannot go with you right now. I am too old.
Old.
Goodbye, little one.
Yes, but it is clear to me that this clever dog is asking for help.
Do not worry, little buddy. We are coming right behind you to help.
Please hurry back with some help, my sweet and brave little boy.
Oh! The puppy refuses to leave us. Something must be very wrong at its home.
You are right. Let us follow it and find who its owner is.
Oh, Dad, look at this. This cozy little cottage must be its home.
Hello? Is anyone inside this house? Please open up if you can hear me.
Dad, look through the window. She is on the floor and cannot get up.
Do not worry, dear Grandma. I am here to help you get up.
You never gave up on her, did you, sweet buddy?
Can you move your legs? Or does it hurt a lot?
Is she okay, Mia? I came as fast as possible.
She's hurt, Mommy.
Shh, it's okay. I'm here now. The ambulance is coming soon, so please try to stay calm.
Did the sweet little puppy really find us to save her?
Was this your phone on the floor? I have it now.
You are waiting for the real help to arrive, buddy.
You will be warm and safe under this soft blanket, Rose.
They are coming right now. I can hear the loud siren.
Where is the patient? Please lead the way into the cottage. We will take very good care of you now, Grandma Rose.
You are a very brave dog. We are proud of you.
Is she gonna be okay? We found her just in time.
Good boy, buddy. You found the perfect family to rescue me.
You will feel much better soon. The doctors will help you.
Can the little puppy come along with her in the ambulance?
Stay close to her, buddy. Keep her safe and comfortable.
You made the right choice to follow him today, Mia.
I hope Grandma Rose is going to be okay and recover.
She's strong, honey. She'll get through this. She is stable.
You brought her to the hospital in time.
The brave little puppy really saved her by bringing us to help.
My brave little friend, you saved my life by finding help. I thought no one would ever find me on the floor.
We brought these fresh flowers to make your hospital room brighter.
Is this your family? They look so happy in the photo.
They live very far away and do not visit very often.
He stayed with her and is sleeping peacefully by her bed.
His name is Buddy, and he is a true little hero.
Can we please help clean her overgrown garden before she comes home, Dad? These beautiful flowers need some water so they can bloom again.
I think the broken wooden fence made it easy to escape.
I heard what happened. Is the sweet lady doing well now?
It's so good.
She will be so happy to see her clean garden again. You are getting stronger every day. You can go home soon.
She will love how clean we made her cozy living room.
She won't have to worry about buying food this week.
It feels like a warm home again with all these flowers. Everyone helped take care of your home while you were away. Oh my.
You are ready to go back home to your cottage today.
Take your time, Grandma Rose. We will help you walk.
Buddy looks so happy to be going back home today, Grandma.
Is this my garden? It looks absolutely beautiful and clean now. You fixed the entire fence. Thank you so much for helping. Mia carefully chose these beautiful flowers just to welcome you back home.
We pulled every single weed from your vegetable garden, Grandma. Oh, Leo, thank you. You're the best.
It feels like a brand new home. I am so happy today. You never gave up on me, Buddy. You are my angel.
We bought fresh groceries so you can eat healthy food, Rose.
These letters have been waiting in your mailbox for a while.
They live overseas now. I miss them every single day, Mia.
No one should ever have to feel lonely or forgotten, Rose.
Look at him run. Buddy can chase the ball so fast.
Mia has a kind heart. She listened when others walked away.
You believed in Buddy when no one else would listen, Mia. Welcome back home, Rose. We all missed you so much here. This brave little hero deserves a delicious treat for his rescue.
It feels so different and peaceful now with all the birds.
Buddy found help, but your family gave me a real home.
Buddy remembered us and is running to greet us so happily.
Look at me. I can walk much stronger than before.
Now you will have a perfect and comfortable place to rest.
That was a great catch, buddy. You are very smart.
We made your favorite apple pie for our picnic today, Rose. It's perfect. Thank you, dear.
We made this colorful card together just to show we love you.
Oh, I love it so much. Thank you, sweetheart. I have never received such a beautiful and thoughtful handmade gift.
The beautiful garden looks so alive under the morning sun.
You have so many wonderful and loving visitors now, Grandma Rose.
I am so glad that I followed Buddy that afternoon, Dad. He is such a good boy. Watch him sit so politely.
You truly saved my life, Buddy. I love you, sweet boy.
One kind choice can truly change a person's entire life forever.
I think Buddy is wagging his tail to say goodbye, Mia.
See you next week, Grandma Rose. We will bring more pie.